It's so good. It has this tingling effect to it. I think it has peppermint in it, and you cannot tell me this is not the Christian Dior lip oil, and is half of the price. So I'll link that below. And you know, I'm going to talk about my favorite, which is the Pharmacy Honey Grill. This is like the best facial oil by far. I kid you not, it's so good because it's very thick and supple. You just lather it on your face as the last step, and you just let it just sit on your face, and then you put on your sunscreen and you're good to go for those, like, you know, skincare days where you're just like, you know what, I just want my skin to breathe. And Pharmacy Honey Grill is your girl. So I have this very nice moisturizing foot cream. I have a body cream, hand cream, and a foot cream, because the hand cream has a different texture, has a different fragrance, has a different effects, right? And then your body cream is for your body, and then your foot cream is for your foot. Isn't that great? And I love it. I usually get this from Amazon. I will link it down below. So this one is called Nature's Love, and it is honey shea butter. Okay, and you just take that. Usually what I would do with my foot creams, I will use a body oil, and I will mix this together, and I'll also mix my body serum together with that, just to take care of that as well. And I love a foot cream because it just makes your feet very nice and soft, and it takes away, and also if you have like foot mask, that takes away dry skin as well. And then you top it off with your foot cream. You're like in heaven. Like, what else is next? And then also, so I'm in love with this Philosophy. This is my current favorite, Philosophy Falling in Love. As you can see, the bottle, it's okay, it's not that bad, but I love Philosophy perfumes because it's very like light, it's clean, and it has a hint of vanilla in most of their perfumes. But this one is really good for like autumn, spring, going into summer, that kind of season. So I do like this. It's a lasting smell, like a lasting perfume. It's not because it's light, you think it won't stay on you for some time. It does stay on you, so you can have this on for like 4 to 6 hours. You don't have to top it off, so that's really good. And then I got the Jo Malone, the bigger size. Like I said, I tend to buy the mini size before I will buy the bigger size. This is so good. It's like honeysuckle honey. There's a little bit of hints of like brown sugar and nectarine. This screams summer. This screams spring. Like, you spray this on you, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so feminine too. I love this Jo Malone perfume. It's so good. So I'm gonna link everything down below. You can check. You guys have been holding out on me for this. I have been seeing this everywhere. I mean, the thing is, Kahali has been around for a long time, but I've never really took time to get a whiff of their fragrance, of the scents. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. It is lovely. It is fantastic. This is what the girls need. Like, it's so good. It's so feminine, and it's warm, it's cinnamon, it's vanilla. It has this kind of like hint of bourbon, I think, on it in there. I got the mini size because I wanted to test it out. So I am bought, I am influenced, and I'm definitely going to get the biggest size. I think for me, I will use this as a top off because I love vanilla as that lasting, lingering scent, and it's just so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It has this nice warm scent to it. Like, this is beautiful. And this is the vanilla 28. So again, I will get the bigger size. I just wanted to get the mini sample, so I can just see how it is, because that's the kind of person I am. I don't like to spend money on things that I have never had and then I have to return it and go through all the hassle. No. So I just usually buy like the samples or the mini size, try it first, then if I like it, we're gonna get it. So I am definitely going to get it. I love it. And I'm also thinking about the other one. I think it's called something vanilla 42 royal something 40. I'm gonna look into the name, but I want to get that as well. All right, talk to you later. Bye.